So this video we are going to see how to create a hello world program in Go. So we have the code in front of us. The first line is package main. The first line we define the package. Now it is not optional, you have to define it. And the name here main, it is not any name you have to. I'm using main because main signifies that it is a standalone app program, not a part of library. Second line we have import fmt. What is fmt? It is for formatted input output. Okay, so it is a package we are importing that contains this println function. So because we are going to use it, we need to import it. Now one thing to note in Go that is different from other programming languages is that you only import what you use. If you import anything extra, it will give an error while you try to build or to run it. Okay, so do not import anything extra, which I'll show you later. Also, in this line, when we are defining the function here with the func keyword, the name main means the function from which the execution will start. So this is the point from where execution start. Main function, you can obviously define any number of functions, and then an empty parameter list, and then this bracket. The opening bracket must be present in the same line as the function definition. If I move it to the next line, it gives an error. It becomes red here, and here it will show something like semicolon missing. Okay, so we can't do that, we have to keep it in the same line. Okay, let us try to run it. Now if you want to run it, there are two ways to do that. The first is simply go run and then name of the file, which is rat1.go. Okay, it is printed, and what we can see here is that the comma separated values are treated are printed with a space. Okay, so by default it adds a space between that comma separated values. Okay, and it prints in one line, and println changes the line after printing. Okay, so that is also clear from this code and the output. Now uh, what I was saying about the error, so let me just remove this. And also we note that we don't need semicolon at the end of the lines unless you want to add multiple statements in one line. So now if we try to do go run, we get an error, imported and not used. So that is one thing you need to be careful about, that you do not import anything extra which you are not using, otherwise it will throw an error. Now the second way, this was simply running the code duty that you have, but you don't want to do that always. Sometimes you want to compile it and then run it. So to build it, you can use go build rat1.go. It will create a .exe file over here, and then when I do a go, sorry, not go, just dot slash and rat1.go. Okay, sorry, only rat1. Yes. So dot slash rat1, that will print hello world, and then so it, you can either just run it or you can use this command go build and then dot slash rat1. Okay, this is a mistake, just ignore it, not the go. Do not use a dot go because we need to use the dot exe. Okay, not the go, we are running the dot exe. Either just run from the source code, which is dot go file, or create a .exe and then run the exe. Okay, so two options. So this is all for this video. Bye.